Hey folks, welcome to this weekly suggestion. Today we are going to hear more about the punctuation marks. Take a seat and enjoy this journey. Let's get going. Here is how we pronunciate and use the punctuation marks. Let's start with period or full stop, used at the end of a declarative sentence and in abbreviations. Comma. We have several uses. One of the most important is used in between words in a series or between two sentences. Question mark, used after an interrogative sentence, and exclamation mark, used to show strong emotion or give a command. Next, semicolon, used to join two independent clauses that are not connected with a conjunction. Colon, used to introduce a list and before a final clause that explains something in the sentence. Apostrophe, used in contractions and to indicate possession. And quotation, used for direct speeches. Parentheses or brackets, used for extra non-essential information. Hyphen, used to join two or more words together into a compound term and is not separated by spaces. Ellipsis, used to show that parts of sentences are left out. And finally, slash, used to write a fraction, a measurement, or to suggest alternatives in your text. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. If you want English lessons e-books, send us a message. That's all for now. See you soon.